Happy Hanukkah and welcome to Cooking with Zolana. And today I'm gonna show you how I made my beautiful golden latkes. It's a very simple recipe and they came out so good, crispy from the outside and very soft from the inside. You can start off by peeling 10 medium potatoes and 1 big onion. I shredded on my food processor. That makes my job much easier and faster. I added to the mixture 2 eggs, 3 spoons of flour, a little bit of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it all well. I use canola oil to fry them. On a medium to high heat, I formed shapes of latkes. I formed it with a spoon. Just took a spoon, put the latkes and just pushed on them a little bit. Fry them on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, and the color is supposed to be like this gold. Once you see the color is golden color, you can flip them. Look at this beauty. I love how they came out. They were so good, so yummy. Happy Hanukkah to those who are celebrating. May God bless us with lots of love, lots of health, joy, understanding, and lots of happiness. If you're not with me yet, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out my new videos, and share the videos with your families and friends. And God willing, I'll see you on my next videos.